Hello and welcome to Operating System 2. Today we will be learning a new topic, page replacement algorithms. Previously we have seen CPU scheduling algorithms. Algorithms are used to give you the best solution for given problem. And here the problem is to replace a page. Why there is a requirement for page replacement? When a process starts execution, it requires certain number of pages. And if the page is available in the memory, then the process continues with its execution. But if the page is not available in the memory, that means process halts its execution and it demands a page. At that time, a page fault is occurred has been said. पेज मेमोरी में नहीं है तो प्रोसेस अपना एग्जीक्यूशन स्टॉप करेगा, पेज की डिमांड करेगा और इस प्रोसेस को क्या कहा जाता है? पेज फॉल्ट कहा जाता है. And the requested page is brought into the memory so that the process can continue the execution. So the algorithms which we are going to learn in page replacement are first in, first out, FIFO, least recently used LRU, and optimal page replacement algorithm, that is OPT. Let us start the algorithm. The first algorithm is FIFO, first in, first out. And the concept of this algorithm is oldest page is to be replaced. जो पेज पहले आया है उसी पेज को आप रिप्लेस करेंगे. The page which has entered the memory first is the page to be replaced. Okay. Suppose I have written like page number 1, 2, 3, 4 and again 1. Okay. So अगर मुझे पेज रिप्लेस करना है, ऑलरेडी मेरे पास पेज नंबर 1, 2 एंड 3 है एंड ये 3 पेजेस यूज हो गए. उसके बाद मुझे पेज नंबर 4 लाना है मेमोरी में, लेकिन जगह सिर्फ मेरे पास पेज नंबर 1, 2 एंड 3 की ही है. तो अब मुझे इनमें से कौन सा पेज रिप्लेस करना पड़ेगा? जो सबसे पुराना है. और सबसे पुराना का मतलब क्या है? जो पेज सबसे पहले आया है. इन 3 पेजेस में से जो पेज सबसे पहले आया है उसको हम रिप्लेस करेंगे. तो ओल्डेस्ट पेज कौन सा है? पेज नंबर 1. So the concept of FIFO algorithm is replace the page which is oldest. That means what? Replace a page which is entered first in the memory. So when we are going to learn the page replacement algorithms, you will be given a reference string. Reference string means what? The number of pages which will be used by the process during the execution. And number of frames means what? The empty number of slots on which the pages can be kept. तो आपको ध्यान रखना है कि आपको रेफरेंस स्ट्रिंग दी गई है एंड रेफरेंस स्ट्रिंग के ऊपर से ही आपको क्या करना है? आपको पूरा का पूरा एल्गोरिदम एग्जीक्यूट करना है एंड फ्रेम्स यूज करने हैं. इन्हीं फ्रेम्स के अंदर आपको क्या करना है? पेजेस को रखना है. ओके. नॉर्मली नंबर ऑफ फ्रेम्स कितनी होंगे? 3 होंगे. ओके. Now let's start the execution. So write down the reference string which is given to you. Okay, reference string आप लिख लीजिए. रेफरेंस स्ट्रिंग लिख ली, उसके बाद आपको देखना है कि इसको एग्जीक्यूट कैसे करना है. सबसे पहला आपको देखना है कि सबसे पहली बार में आपका पूरा ये फ्रेम्स ब्लैंक होंगे. ब्लैंक है मीन्स व्हाट? कंपलसरी पेज फॉल्ट होगा ही. So first request is page number 0. So 0 will enter the memory. That means there is a page fault. And to show a page fault, just draw an arrow. Then next request is for page number 1. It is not in the memory because all these slots are empty only apart from the 0 which has newly entered. Then the page 1 will enter. There is a page fault. So give an arrow. Next is which page? Page number 2. So 0 and 1 are already there in the memory. The next page which is going to come is 2 and there is a page fault. Next which page is requested? Page number 3. But already all the frames are full. Means what? अब आपको क्या करना है? पेज को रिप्लेस करना है और एक पेज फॉल्ट होगा. तो यहाँ पर कौन सा वाला पेज है जो सबसे पुराना है? सबसे पुराना वाला पेज सबसे ऊपर होगा. दैट इज दिस पेज नंबर 0. So we are going to replace page number 0 with which page? With page number 3. Then 1 and 2. That is a page fault. Next, again the request is page number 0. Page number 0 has been replaced. That means what? There is no page number 0. We have to bring page number 0 into the memory. Now which page is going to be replaced? इनमें से कौन सा पेज पुराना है जो सबसे पीछे है? That is 1 page number. So we are going to replace page number 1. 3, 0 and 2. That is a page fault. Next page which is there, it is 1. Once again there is no page number 1, that means there is a page fault. And इस बार कौन सा पेज सबसे पुराना है? पेज नंबर 2. पीछे देखिए कौन सा पुराना है? पेज नंबर 2. That is 3, 0 and 1. Page fault has occurred. Next, page number 4. Page number 4, once again there is no page number 4. You have to replace any of these pages. Now which page is going to be replaced? Which is the oldest? 3, 0 and 1. Yes, 3 is the oldest. First 3 ही आया था, so it is going to be replaced. So here it is 4, 0, 1 and there is a page fault. Then here 0. Now look here carefully, 4, 0 and 1. There is 0 already in the memory. That means what? There is no page fault. 4, 0 and 1. यहाँ arrow नहीं करना है. There is no page fault. Again 1, 4, 0 and 1. 1 is already there. That means just write 4, 0 and 1. No page fault. Now coming to 2. 2, there is no 2 number over here. So we have to replace the page. Now which page is going to be replaced? Which is the oldest page among these? 4, 1 and 0. 0 is the oldest one. So we are going to replace page number 0. 4, 2, 1 and there is a page fault. Then again 3. 3, is it in the memory? No, it is not in the memory. That means what? We have to replace from these pages 4, 2 and 1. Now which page is going to be replaced? The oldest page among these. Oldest page is which page number? It is 2, 4 or 0. Which one is the oldest one? It is page number 1. So it is 4, 2 and 3 and this is a page fault. Okay. After the page fault, now tell me 4 is there in the memory or not? Yes, 4 is there in the memory. Okay. So there won't be any page fault. 4, 2 and 3. We are not going to show the arrow. Now count the number of arrows. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So how many page faults? It is, how many page faults are there? 9 page faults. Okay. So at the end of the execution of the algorithm, you have to specify the number of page faults. Now remember, when we are working with first in first out algorithm, there is a problem called Bell-Davis anomaly. That means as the number of frames increase, as the number of frames increase, the page fault also increases. As the number of frames increases, the number of page faults also increase. ये याद रखना है, वही चीज हम देखेंगे. Now the same algorithm, but the thing is here we are going to use how many page frames? 4. Okay. So same execution. 0, it is not in the memory. Okay. So there is a page fault. Then 0, 1, there is a page fault. Okay. There is a page fault. Then 0, 1, 2, there is a page fault. Then 0, 1, 2 and 3, there is a page fault. Then 0 is already in the memory. 0, 1, 2 and 3 are in the memory. There is no page fault. 0, 1, 2, 3, no page fault because 1 is already in the memory. Now for 4 page number. Now which page is going to be replaced? Which is the oldest page? It is 0, the oldest page. So 4, 1, 2, 3 and there is a page fault. Now again 0 is not in the memory. Now which is the oldest page? Oldest means what? जो सबसे पहले आया है and सबसे पहले कौन सा आया है? 1 आया है. So we are going to replace. It is 4, 0, 2, 3 and that is a page fault. Now 1 is not in the memory, that means what we have to do, we have to replace a page, and the next oldest page is which page? Page number 2, that means 4013, and that is a page fault. Then 2, page number 2. Now to replace the pages among this 4, 0, 1 and 3, so that we can get page number 2, which page is going to be replaced? The oldest page is page number 3, so it is 4, 0, 1, 2, and that is a page fault. Then page number 3. Now which is the oldest page among these? It is 4, page number 4. So it is 3, 0, 1, 2, and that is the page fault. Now 4. Again, to get the page number 4, we have to replace the page among these pages 3, 0, 1 and 2. Now which is the oldest page? It is page number 0. So it is 3, 4, 1, 2, and that is a page fault. Okay, oldest means what आपको देखना है, जो टॉप पे आपका पेज होगा वही ओल्डेस्ट होगा. हमने यहाँ पे 3 को रिप्लेस किया है, इसीलिए 3 को हम कंसिडर नहीं करेंगे. उसके बाद टॉप पे कौन सा पेज है? पेज नंबर 0 है, इसीलिए यहाँ पर हमने रिप्लेस किया 4. सो काउंट द नंबर ऑफ एरोज 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So how many page faults are there? Page fault 10. यहाँ पर number of frames कितने हैं? 4 हैं. And previous case कितने page frames थे? 3 थे. In case of 3, page faults कितने थे? 9. And in case of number of frames 4, तो page fault कितने हैं? 10 है. तो आपका number of frames increase हुआ, number of frames increase हुआ, तो क्या चीज इंक्रीज हो गई? पेज फॉल्ट भी इंक्रीज हो गए. पेज फॉल्ट भी क्या हो गए? इंक्रीज हो गए. और इस चीज को क्या कहा जाता है? बेल्डेज एनोमली. BELDAY बेल्डेज एनोमली इस सिचुएशन को कहा जाता है. होप द FIFO एल्गोरिदम इज